Welcome to my channel, Hidden on Earth. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
Spotted Lake, Khiluk, Canada. A natural wonder of color and minerals. Imagine a place where colors come alive, a place where the natural world seems to defy the ordinary. Welcome to Spotted Lake, or Khiluk, located in the heart of the dry, desert-like region of southern British Columbia, Canada. The first time you lay eyes on this lake, it might seem like something from a dream or a painting. From above, it looks like a vast canvas with vibrant pools of blue, green, yellow, and even orange scattered across the land, each one unique, each one telling its own story. What makes Spotted Lake so intriguing? What is it about this extraordinary landscape that sets it apart from other lakes across the world? Today we're going to explore its geological origins, the minerals that give it its unique color, and the cultural significance it holds for the indigenous people of the region. More than just a beautiful lake, Spotted Lake is a natural wonder, a living symbol of how nature and culture can converge in the most stunning way.
To understand Spotted Lake, we first need to look at its history, both geological and cultural. This lake, nestled near the town of Osoyoos, is a natural marvel that has formed over thousands of years. What makes it so unique is the combination of geological processes, mineral-rich groundwater, and the harsh desert-like conditions that have allowed it to take on its extraordinary appearance. Spotted Lake is part of a series of natural phenomena that have occurred in the Okanagan Valley for millennia. The valley itself has a rich geological history shaped by ancient glaciers, volcanic activity, and shifting tectonic plates. Over time, as the region evolved, natural mineral springs and groundwater seeped into what would become Spotted Lake. As the mineral-rich groundwater reached the surface, it began to deposit minerals that formed crystals in the lake. Over thousands of years, the lake's mineral content intensified, creating the colorful spots we see today. But these spots aren't just random, they're shaped by the chemical makeup of the minerals within the water. As the hot summer sun evaporates the water, the minerals in the lake solidify into distinctive pools, each one varying in color based on its mineral concentration.
At the heart of Spotted Lake's remarkable appearance is its unique mineral composition. The lake is one of the most mineral-rich bodies of water in the world, and this is what gives it its signature spots. To understand how these colors form, let's take a closer look at the minerals involved. The water in Spotted Lake contains high concentrations of calcium, magnesium, sodium, and sulfate. When the water levels drop during the hot summer months, these minerals remain behind, forming solid deposits that crystallize and change the color of the pools. Blue areas are rich in magnesium sulfate, while the yellow pools contain sodium sulfate, and the green areas are filled with calcium deposits. Spotted Lake isn't just a scientific wonder, it also holds deep cultural significance for the indigenous people of the region. The Okanagan people have known of the lake's healing powers for centuries. The lake, called Khiluk, has been used by these communities for its therapeutic properties long before outsiders discovered its beauty. For the Okanagan people, Khiluk is not only a source of healing, but a sacred site. The minerals in the lake are believed to have medicinal properties, and the water was used for bathing and healing rituals. Indigenous people would soak in the pools or use the mineral-rich mud for skin treatments, helping to soothe ailments such as joint pain and skin conditions. While Khiluk is deeply connected to indigenous traditions, it also fascinates scientists around the world. Spotted Lake is a rare phenomenon, one of the few places on Earth where such a high concentration of minerals leads to the formation of these beautiful, colorful spots. The science behind Spotted Lake is a perfect example of how nature combines chemistry, geography, and time to create something spectacular. The process of evaporation and the mineralization of the lake is not unique to this area, but the concentration and visual display of colors are truly exceptional. It's a living example of how Earth's natural processes can lead to something far beyond our imagination.
The healing powers of Spotted Lake have been passed down through generations, and the stories surrounding Khiluk are as rich as the minerals within the lake itself. To the Okanagan people, the lake represents a place of connection to the earth, a place where the natural world can offer peace, wellness, and spiritual restoration. While modern visitors come seeking the beauty of the lake and its fascinating colors, many still believe in the restorative powers of the mineral-rich waters. Some people come to take a dip in the waters, while others simply stand by the shore, meditating and absorbing the tranquility of the lake. Despite its beauty, Spotted Lake is not immune to threats. As its popularity grows, so does the risk of over-tourism and environmental degradation. The delicate balance of minerals in the lake can easily be disrupted, and the surrounding environment is at risk from development and exploitation. To ensure the lake's future, conservation efforts are critical. Both the Okanagan Nation Alliance and local authorities have stepped in to protect this cultural and natural treasure. Laws are in place to restrict direct access to the lake, ensuring that it remains pristine for future generations. Spotted Lake, or Khiluk, is not just a natural wonder. It's a living, breathing symbol of how nature, culture, and science can coexist in harmony. It reminds us of the beauty that can arise when the earth is left to shape itself, and of the ways that ancient traditions and modern science can work together to protect the environment. Spotted Lake is a place that deserves our attention and our protection. It's more than just a stunning sight. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature and the importance of respecting and preserving these natural wonders.